everyone, this is Rose, and I welcome you to my random channel. This is going to be another video in a series that I've been doing on my channel for a while, except it's going to be updated. This is going to be a triple mystery Birchbox unboxing. Now, if you've never seen one of my videos, let me explain what it is so that you don't get confused or excited and think it's something else. I am basically a beauty box hoarder, and when I get these boxes in, I might initially go through them and then throw them aside. And so in these videos, I basically pull, I was doing 2 at a time, but now I'm gonna do 3. I will pull 3 random Birch boxes. It could be from last month, it could be from this year, a year or 2, even 5 years ago when I first joined. And I actually show you how the box has changed. I go through the sample values so that you'll be able to determine, has the program always been good? Did it used to be better? Does it suck now? So, that's basically what this video is. If you want to learn more about Birchbox, I'll link my playlist down below. In my really early videos, I go through all the details of the program. It's basically the cheapest monthly subscription beauty service that you can join. It's 10 bucks a month. And that's basically all I have to say about it. So, I'm going to get into these boxes. This first bunch that I have, I can already tell that 2 of these boxes are really old because of the packaging. And then I hate to say the newer box that I have, I'm missing half of it. Yeah, the box where I'm missing part of it. This is what the top looked like. And I'll go ahead and annotate what year and month this box is. But basically this box took place during International Women's Month, because, or day, the month of the day, because it references it on this side. And the other side of the card talks about your samples and what they do and the values of the full sizes. So I'm basically going to go in order with the first disappointing thing that I see. They're including this shampoo and conditioner duo as 2 separate samples, which I don't think is completely fair. Yes, they're decently sized, but still, I feel like it's a cop-out Birchbox. But these are the Beautiful Nutrition Healthy Hair Diet Shampoo and Conditioner. The full size of both of these is $16. The sample size is 60 milligrams. The packaging of these. The shampoo. This gentle cleanser infuses strands with a citrus-enriched, ultra-nourishing formula, making hair visibly healthier. The conditioner is enriched with citrus extracts. This revitalizer infuses brittle strands with nutrients to restore softness and shine. So, there is that one. The next thing is a fragrance sample by Catherine Malandrino, Style de Paris. The full size ranges from $80 to $110. This sample size is 0.06 fluid ounces. That's what the card looks like. And then there's a sample right there. The designer's first ever scent mingles bright fruits and florals for an elegant vibe. Next thing is by Ren Flash Rinse 1 Minute Facial. This sample is in half fluid ounce. Full size is for $8. This water activated 10% vitamin C treatment. Ooh, revitalizes dull skin, giving you a firmer, younger looking complexion. And then the last thing is by Tristique. This is the Color and Smudge Shadow Crayon and Aspen Pine. Full size is $26. This sample is 0.02 ounces. Pretty neat looking, since it kind of looks like, in the regular packaging, like it's a pencil, but I think this comes off. Yes. Product right there. It's a pretty decent amount, so. The Shadow Crayon has a creamy formula that stays put for 12 hours. Wow. Creating a smooth, crease-free look every time. Honestly, the only 2 things I'm excited about this box is the facial product and then the Shadow Crayon. So, I'm going to quickly throw up the value of this first mystery Birchbox. And now, the indicator that lets you know that the next 2 boxes are old AF is they're in the old school cardboard packaging. So, woo, this This box has a lot of stuff in there. Yes, this is so old. They used to use this tissue paper and these pill boxes for stuff, which they don't do anymore. Wow, June 2014. Crazy. But of course, this side talks about the theme, and then the other side talks about the products. And I'm assuming they had like a collab with Benefit, because a little book about the push-up line, which does this product exist anymore? Okay, I will admit I was about to gripe about this first sample set because I saw these 2 packets, but then I realized, oh, it actually has a bottle of the shampoo. So that's pretty nice. But do you see how Birchbox makes these 3 items one sample? But this is the Davines, Davines, I don't know how it's pronounced, Love Smoothing Conditioner, Shampoo, and all-in-one milk. Full sizes range from $24 to $28. The shampoo sample is this bottle, and it's 2.5 ounces, and I've used this shampoo before, and actually I really like it. I like the way it smells. And then the conditioner packet is 0.41 fluid ounces, and then the treatment oil 0.13 fluid ounces. So I really like that, and it's sad that this is an older box when you think about it. But back then they did it this way instead of the way that they just did in the first box I talked about. Strand Smoothing Trio softens, detangles, and tames frizz for remarkably sleek locks. Next thing is by Harvey Prince, which he had a fragrance I actually really liked called the Eau Flirt, and it actually had pheromones in it, and I had so many compliments when I wore it. But this is the Hello fragrance. Technically can't give a value for this, but there's that sample. The full size of this is $55. Best-selling spritz that mingles cheerful citrus with floral notes. Well, hello there. Then there's a Lacquer & Co. Sheer Lip Loop Pencil in the Bee's Knees. Full size is $18. This sample is 0.07 ounces, so. Oh, and this does go up. It has a decent amount of product in it. A high gloss semi-sheer lip color that's perfect for summer. Bonus, it smells minty fresh. Get into the item that I don't have no idea where it is. The Aloe Source Vitamin C Antioxidant Cream, full size is $40. But the last thing I'm kind of excited about is the Liz Earle Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser Starter Kit. Now this can't be. Is this the actual starter kit for $24.50? British award winner that uses a 2-step ritual to gently purify all skin types. Look at this packaging here. This has a cleansing guide. It's so fancy. And with this muslin cloth, it comes with the hot cloth cleanser. And this is 1 fluid ounce, so. Okay, so the total of that second Birchbox is, and let me get to the final old one. March 2014. Good Lord, have mercy. This is old as crap. Pink tissue paper back then. Okay, I'm just gonna go in order. This is the Air Repair Rescue Balm. Full size is $12. And unfortunately, this has no measurement, so I can't give you the value of this. Balms Away. This all-natural salve repairs dry, cracked skin anywhere on the body. Next thing is the Control Corrective Oil-Free Healing Lotion. Nice thing is that they gave 2 packets of this. Both these samples are 4 milliliters. Full size is $35. The citrusy hydrator works to purify and tone skin while balancing oil levels, which is perfect for me because I am a grease ball. Next thing is this lovely Gilchrist and Soames London Collection Body Lotion. Full size is $16. This is 1.5 fluid ounces. This is a decent sample size. This fast absorbing hydrator leaves skin silky smooth with a light earthy scent. Next thing is an Inca eyeliner in Green Lagoon. This is The full size is 20 bucks, and this has to be a full size. 1.2 grams, 0.04 ounces. This has got to be a full size, which is awesome because this is $20 right here. Oh wow, comes with a sharpener. That's pretty neat. But here is the actual certified organic. That's pretty cool. So that's the actual pencil. And then it comes with a sharpener. And then the last thing is the Oblifica Professional Intensive Hair Serum. Very excited to see this because I love hair serums. This is a half fluid ounce, full size is $38. Nourishing frizz tamer that repairs damaged hair with a mega rich sea buckthorn berry. And that is what that looks like. And so, the value of this final box is, I'm gonna quickly throw up the 3 values again. Out of the 3 boxes, gosh. I have to say, I think I like the second and third box mostly. I gave my reasons for liking the second box. The third box though, since it has, I believe, a full-size eyeliner. I love body lotions, and then the fact that it has that nice size sample of that hair serum. So I would say it's gonna be a tie between those two. And so if you have any questions down below, please don't hesitate to leave them. And again, this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you found this video at all helpful or entertaining, then please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and become part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon.